Yo, what's up YouTube? My name's Capybot. Today I'm going to show you guys how botting works so you can get Pokemon cards. I own a server called Capybot Central, which is going to be in the description below. We offer one-on-one coaching and we offer 24/7 support, and also we're going to help you until you get your first successful checkout. So join in the link below if you're interested. So what a bot is going to do is basically check stuff out instantly and scan items that are in stock, and you can run multiple tasks at once. That basically means like if you're running 5 tasks, that's basically you running 5 different devices at once. So over here's the overview of Refract. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our profiles. This and then click this little plus icon right here. This is where you're gonna put your email and card information. Also over here, you put your shipping details so the package arrives to your house. So let's go ahead and fill out this information. Alright, so we just filled out the information. Over here is going to be the card details, and over here is going to be shipping. And now if we go to billing, it's going to be set on default, same as shipping. So over here is where you put your first name and your last name, and your address too if you live in an apartment, your phone, city, and then country and your zip code. Just make sure each profile has different information for each profile. After you click create, your profile is going to be created right here. So now let's move on to proxies. So over here is where you're going to add or edit your proxy list. So if you go over this little edit button, this is where you're going to copy and paste your proxy list. So basically, proxies are going to mask your IP address. Because websites track your IP in order patterns, so proxies give each task a different IP, so your attempts look like separate shoppers. So that's how you run multiple checkout attempts safely. So now let's go to the account page. This is where you're going to plug in your account for the website of your choice. So click that little plus icon and then select your website, and make sure that the email that you put in here matches the email to the email that you put on your profile. So go ahead and let's log in right here. And then over here is your proxy list. So you select your proxies like so and click create account, and it should look like that. So now let's go over to task and create our group right here, this plus icon, and then name it and then select your group site. And over here is going to be your monitor. So this is basically your monitor scans to see if the product goes in stock or not. And then over here is going to be your task, and your task is actually what checks out the item. But in order to do that, you need your monitor. And for monitor input, that's basically going to be the SKU numbers or the product numbers. And for that, you need a cook group. So I recommend Poke Signals. It's only $10 a month. So let's go ahead and go to their Discord real quick. So let's say I want to go for this Phantasmal UPC. I would just copy this and then paste it in the monitor input right here. And then over here is going to be your monitor proxy list. So just select your proxy list over here. So over here is going to be your task. So let's go ahead and click this little plus icon. And then make sure you select this match account to profiles. So then your accounts match the profiles of the information that you provided. And then let's select our profile right now, and then our proxy list, and then click create task. And now all we need to do from here on out is select your profile and then click start, and then your monitor should start monitoring the item, and then your task will try to check out once the monitor pings that the item is in stock. So over here is my Discord server. If you guys are interested in extra help, here's some success that we had. And then we also have tutorials right here. And then we explain about a little bit about botting and the proxies, startup costs, stuff like that. Monitors right here. And then the type of cards that you need. We explain cook groups. And all you gotta do is just join the server. Just create a ticket. If you need support, hit this create ticket right there. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate if you guys would drop a comment and a like, and subscribe if you want. So yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.